Roll up sandwiches into pinwheels. Add a little variety to your lunchbox by packing pinwheels instead of a traditional sandwich. Just place the ingredients onto a flat tortilla, roll it up, and then slice it up. You can also do this by flattening slices of bread with a rolling pin, then doing the same thing. Keep condiments off the bread. When making a sandwich with meat, cheese, and slash or veggies, you will usually want to put some condiments on there as well. This would normally go directly onto the bread, but after sitting around for a few hours, that ketchup or mayo is likely to make the bread soggy. Instead, spread the condiment in between 2 layers of the sandwich, like between some lettuce and cheese or cheese and meat, to keep it from getting soaked up like a sponge. Make kid-friendly trail mix. Reassemble apple slices to prevent browning. Reassemble apple slices to prevent browning. Make a snack station. You can give kids some control over their lunch by laying out a snack station. Set aside some counter space, a section in the fridge with potential snack options, and then they can pick one each day with the satisfaction of knowing it was their own choice. Create DIY Lunchables. Create DIY Lunchables. Reshape sandwiches with cookie cutters. Reshape sandwiches with cookie cutters. Pack a hot lunch in a thermos. Thermoses are without a doubt one of the most overlooked food accessories on the market. Their basic function is to keep things warm without the aid of a microwave or other heat source, which, let's be real, isn't always readily available when you need it. Using a thermos means you can pack a full hot lunch, be it pasta.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.